Hello there! Today I will be showing you everything that I crocheted in the year 2021. Let's get started. So to start the year off, I actually knitted a hat. It is a little bit small, but it does still fit. This was the first thing that I have ever completed out of knit. Pom-pom's a little wonky, took me a few days, but maybe I'll save it for my future kid. Secondly, another knit hat. The top is actually crocheted because that's when I gave up knitting. I realized that the top wasn't going to close, so I made a little circle out of crochet, which was much easier. This one actually fits, nice and cozy, like it. Last thing I knit almost exactly a year ago. My first crochet project ever. This is made out of acrylic. It was just a YouTube tutorial. It's a little big. I did make it for my boyfriend though, and he has a bigger head than me, so gets a lot of use out of that one. After all the hats, I decided to make a matching pair of mittens. Again, I found this tutorial on YouTube. I can't remember the creator, but it was a purple mitten tutorial, if that helps anyone, the thumbnail. Yeah, they're great mittens, fit me perfectly, and they're super cozy. It was starting to get a bit warmer in the year, around like springtime or so, and I just wanted a nice headband to go on instead of a whole hat, because usually my head gets too hot. Yeah, this is just a ribbed knit into the back loop of every stitch, half double crochet. And I did 4 rows, it looks like, of the ribbing, so 8 rows total. Yeah. Just do it until it fits around your head. I don't know if any of you guys remember the trend last year, but there are like these little mushroom pouches going around. Don't know if you can see those. But yeah, I made a couple of them. You can put like rocks in there, lighters, I don't know, crystals, things you want to hide in your pouch. Yeah, just a little mushroom necklace. And then I made a littler one too. Cute. Hello, just wanted to pop in here real quick and let you know that one of my memory card bits ran out yesterday while I was filming and I didn't realize it. So I'll just show you those things real quick that it missed. First, I have my water bottle holder. Fits a full-sized Hydro Flask in there. I just free-handed this guy. It's like a circle base, and then I single crocheted up the sides here, then did a little double crochet chain one to make this effect. And yeah, I love how this one turns out. I use it all the time in the summer and spring and fall, I guess. Take it on every hike, carry water bottles. Perfect. Next, I made a phone satchel. I was working remotely last summer, so I needed my phone to be on me at all times. I just wanted a really lightweight way to carry it around with me. Super long strap. Just throw it on, go outside. Didn't need to worry about it. Just another rib stitch, half double crochet into the back loop only. Yeah, like that one a lot. Then I've got some hair accessories. Made another little headband, but this one's more for like exercising and yoga type stuff. Just has a cute little twist in the front. Keep your hair wispies out of your face. Yeah, I think this one turned out okay for just being like 3 stitches. And next I've got a little scrunchie. I don't really like how this one came out as much. It got, again, a little chain 1 crochet detail on the end here. And you can actually see the hair tie, which I don't really like. But if you throw it on over like a bun or something, it kind of looks cute. It doesn't really function though as a hair tie on its own. I will say that. Probably redo this one with an actual tutorial. And then I've got a hair tie thing. This one was a tutorial on YouTube, I think, but I didn't follow the decreases quite correctly, so it came out a little bit wonky and bigger than I intended, but it is still super cute. Like to just throw this on for a little pop of something, you know? Yeah. Cute. And then lastly, I made some cat toys. This one was just a circle tutorial online that I stuffed with catnip and fabric scraps, so it's super eco-conscious, you know. I think it was originally supposed to be a hacky sack maybe, because it really reminds me of a hacky sack. It's just single crochets into the round increasing as you go on this side and then decreasing as you go on this one. Really like how this turned out. Cat loves it, which is great. Next, for Christmas, I made a few crochet mice, which I don't have with me because I did give them away as presents to my family's cats, but they love those things as well. They're just a little tiny crochet catnip mouse that I found online as a tutorial as well. So yeah, maybe I'll post a couple pictures to show you what they look like. And I believe that is all, so we'll get back to it. Alrighty, so here is that crop top. It is a rib knit. It's a half double crochet into the back loop only with a little chain tie at the top. Did find this as a tutorial on YouTube when I was just starting out. Super beginner friendly. It's just a big rectangle. I think it was called Crochet Ribbed Crop Top. I'll try and link the creator below if I find it. Yeah, and here's the back. I haven't gotten a lot of use out of this one just because I did make it in the summer and it's kind of like a mini sweater. It is super duper warm, so if you guys are interested, I will be posting this on my shop soon. Give you a little close-up. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Really proud of this one because it was one of my first tops ever. Yeah, I think it came out pretty well. Alright, so next up we have this cute little crochet bralette. I found this one as another tutorial on YouTube. I believe it was Passionate Kelsey. It's from a few years ago. And yeah, I've worn this one a lot. I love it in the summertime. It's the perfect bralette. Keeps you nice and warm as well. It has a cute little corset up detail in the back. Probably my favorite part because it makes it completely adjustable. Doesn't really have to be a certain size as long as the cups cover your boobs, which are totally custom as well. I would definitely recommend this one. A little close up. Yeah. Super happy with how this one came out. It's my first bralette. Probably will be making a couple more this summer, maybe in a cotton, maybe like a bikini style. That would be really cool. Let me know what you think. Try it out for yourself. Yeah, like this one a lot. Next up, we have this cute little granny square bralette. I made this one myself, custom pattern. The boob cups, I did use a pattern from the last bralette for. Then I just made some granny squares. I didn't quite have enough of the yarn to complete it around the back here, so I improvised a little rectangle. Still think it is super cute though. One of my favorite summer tops. Looks perfect with a skirt. Just love how these little daisy granny squares came out. Did originally make this to go with this little headband, so yeah, I think they're really cute set. Let me know if you guys would be interested in maybe me writing out a pattern for this guy. The granny squares I found a tutorial on YouTube for, and then like I said, the cups were also a little YouTube tutorial. Combine them, did a little rib or a single crochet around the border just to make it a little bit more sturdy. Yeah, like this one a lot. Next up, we have this little crop top thing. Kind of went custom on this one. I was following a YouTube tutorial at first, but then I think I got a little bit lost in communication and it turned out a funky size, but I do like it as like a nice boho beachy cover-up kind of thing. I put like a little custom detail here in the front. Love that. Usually I do pair this one with one of these other bralettes just because they match really well. I'll like put this one under or put it over a bathing suit. I think it would be a little bit risky as just a solo top because it is so loose. Let me know what you think on this one. Maybe I could find the creator, let you guys know who made this one if you're interested, because theirs turned out a lot cuter. But yeah, I like to use this one as a cover-up. And it's super warm, really nice to cover up after like a day at the beach or on the boat when the wind's blowing and you're just a little bit chilly. Just like a little sweater for your top. Goes into the fall time, everyone was making these little granny square bags and I did my own take on it. Just a little alternating green, and I don't know if you can see, but the sunflowers themselves have like a little ombre in there just to mix things up. And I love how this one came out. It's like perfect little farmer's tote. Bring it with me all the time when I go out. It's perfect as a purse. If I were to do this one again, I'd probably add a liner. Maybe I can just add on to this one. I went raspberry picking with it, and now it smells like raspberries. Yeah, so maybe a removable liner to wash afterwards. Make it just perfect. Love this one. Highly recommend doing a granny square tote if you haven't already. Took another break after that one actually because it was the end of fall and I wasn't really going anywhere. I didn't need anything until the holidays. I made some hats, made them for everyone in my family, made myself this little green one. Love it, can do it rolled up or down. Perfect fit for my tiny head. And then with the leftover scrap yarn, I made a matching headband because I like these headbands. They're really nice. Just throw on, go outside if you need to, especially for exercising. My boyfriend really loved my hat, so I made him another one. His is bigger. Model it for you guys. It's nice and cozy though. He says it's the warmest hat he's ever had. It's just a half double crochet into the back loop, just like my top. Simple rib, and then you do up the top together. It's a little bit lumpy, but I kind of like it like that. I did crochet a few more hats, like I said, for my family. Those were Christmas gifts, so I have already given those away. My mom's was a nice deep purple color and my dad's was a nice blue. I'll try and post a couple pictures of those to see what they look like. They loved them, said they're super cozy, wear them to work every day. So I love that. Always love making things people use. Next up, I actually have my work in progresses that I started before the year was finished. Start here with a coaster. I made my mom a set of these for Christmas as well. She got 4 of them for the family. This one I'm just working on for myself here. Nice cotton, lily, sugars, and cream yarn. It's really, really nice for these because washable, durable, heat tolerant. So yeah, probably be making another set for myself. Then next, I'm working on a pentagon cardigan. Another pattern from Passionate Kelsey, I believe that's her name. Yeah, this is only one side. I'm about halfway done. Almost there. Have to add the sleeves on as well. Make a cute little cropped beach summer cover-up cardigan kind of thing. This was again done with lily, sugars, and cream yarn. So it's a cotton. It's very durable, functional. And I think it's going to be one of my most worn knits this summer. And lastly, I have a self-drafted granny square cardigan. I got a little ambitious. I originally needed like 70 squares or something to make the whole thing. I kind of tapped out around like 40, I think. I didn't feel like doing the sleeves, so I will be doing just a wavy alternating stitch on that, and I'm still waiting on some yarn to finish it up, as well as attach the ribbing. This was all freehand by me. I can try and write up a pattern if you're interested. I'll throw it on now. It's just kind of like a nice little vest. But I'm very looking forward to getting this one finished for the spring. I think it'd be like the perfect Easter outfit. Very springy, need to add the buttons, attach the ribbing. But yeah, I'm really liking how this one is turning out. Can't wait to finish it. So there you have it. Everything that I crocheted and knit this year. I have not knit since the beginning of the year because once I started crocheting I found out it was so much faster and easier, and I just really love it. I think it's cool to see through the seasons what I was making. Hopefully this year it'll have a better idea what kinds of knits to wear for what weather. I'm really looking forward to creating this year. I'm going to be doing a lot more cardigans and sweaters, socks too. I really want to make some socks. Let me know what was your favorite. Personally, I think my granny square bag was my favorite. I just really like how this one turned out. I'll probably be making another in a different color scheme. Maybe something less fall-y. Dropping everything here. I cannot wait to crochet more this year. I'm actually waiting on a huge shipment from Hobby and Michaels. I'll be doing a little unboxing haul, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is my big debut to YouTube and crochet, and I can't wait to put some more stuff out there for you guys. Thanks again. Bye.